Typecasting refers to the conversion of one data type to another. Python provides several built-in functions that allow you to perform typecasting. Let's look at some of the commonly used typecasting functions in Python. To convert a value to an integer data type, use int. I have a string 100. To convert this to the number 100, just call int function with str1 as parameter. To convert a value to floating point data type, use float. So now string 1 has float data type. To convert this to float, we use float of str1. Similarly, to convert a value to string data type, use str. I have a number 1 which is equal to 5. I want to convert this to string. So I'll pass this number 1 to str method, which returns me a string 5. To convert an iterable object like string or tuple to a list, use list. I have a tuple of names. So I want to convert this tuple into a list. So I'll simply pass this tuple to the list method, which will return me a list with the same items. Similarly, to convert an iterable object like list or string to a tuple, use tuple. So this time we have a list of names and we are converting to tuple. So we'll pass this list to the tuple function. To convert a value to Boolean data type, use bool. So when the number is 0, bool will return us false. If the number is 1, the bool function will return true. Typecasting may result in data loss or unexpected behavior if the conversion is not possible. For example, converting a string to an integer will fail if the string does not represent a valid integer. For example, I'll add a c something which is not a valid number. So I'll run the application. Now we get an error saying value error could not convert string to float. The same happens in this case also. If this is not a valid number, int of string will fail. So it is important to ensure that compatibility and validity of the values being converted.